Hey everyone, welcome back to Trend AI Today. Imagine having a personal assistant that works for you 24/7, handles tasks automatically, and even helps you make money. Sounds interesting, right? Well, that's exactly what AI agents can do. In today's video, we're diving deep into AI agents, what they are, how to create them, and most importantly, how you can use them to generate income. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge you need to start your own AI automation journey. Before we begin, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you're interested in AI, automation, and ways to earn money online. Now, let's get started. What are AI agents? AI agents are intelligent software programs that can perform automated tasks without human intervention. They use artificial intelligence to make decisions, respond to inputs, and even learn from past interactions. Let's break it down with an example. Imagine you need to send an email to your professor explaining that your assignment will be late due to illness. Normally, you'd have to write the email yourself. But with an AI agent, you can simply say, "Notify my professor that my assignment is delayed due to illness." The AI agent will generate a professional email and send it for you, without you lifting a finger. Why should you learn about AI agents? AI is rapidly transforming industries, and those who understand how to use AI agents can stay ahead of the curve. Businesses are actively seeking automation solutions, and freelancers who can build AI agents are in high demand. Whether you want to boost productivity, start a freelancing career, or automate your own business tasks, learning AI automation is a game changer. How to create AI agents without coding? You might think creating AI agents requires advanced programming skills, but that's not the case. There are user-friendly platforms like N8N, which allow you to build AI agents visually, without writing a single line of code. Let me walk you through the process step by step. 1. Go to n8n.io and click on the Get Started for Free button. 2. This will take you to the Sign Up page. Enter your email, create a password, and choose an account name. 3. Once signed up, you'll be directed to your workspace, where you can start creating AI workflows. Building your first AI agent. Now that your workspace is ready, let's create an AI agent that automatically responds to chat messages. 1. Click on Create Workflow to open the Automation Builder. 2. Select On Chat Message as the trigger. This tells the AI agent to take action whenever it receives a new message. 3. Next, define what the AI agent should do. For example, you can connect it to OpenAI's GPT model to generate smart replies. 4. Test your AI agent by sending a sample message. If everything works correctly, it will generate a response instantly.